Like my question is about patience and impatience. Um, which is that like, with this process for me, for like whatever reasons, I never had the that kind of thing of like feeling bad about this process having started or being like, wait a minute, like as soon as it happened, I was like, oh boy, like I'm so excited, like, like hit me, like more, 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 more. And it's been however long, and it still feels to me like one of my big, I don't know if problems, but one of my big struggles is impatience. And just as an example, there's a couple of things in my life, and I'm not even going to say what they are because I don't think it matters, that I like I would really like to happen, right? And I really want them, and it feels like that they're like a logical part of my process, and so on and so on. And this urge to experience these two things is like really powerful. They're also largely out of my control. And so I'm like in this like uncomfortable limbo where it's like, it feels like, oh, like this is what needs to happen for me to progress. Yet it's also like something out of, my control. And like maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it doesn't, like maybe this is misguided, right? Like I don't know that I think that this needs to happen. Maybe I need to f focus on something else. But and then yeah, and I've always had this typology of I've never felt bad about this process having started. I've always just wanted it to go forward, wanted it to accelerate. That's always been my attitude to it, for better or worse. And yeah, and that's like my big struggle, I think, or one of my big struggles really is impatience. And then I feel like I waste or I spend a lot of energy or maybe I bum myself out by being as impatient as I am.
Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I can relate. I'm sure we all can to some degree. Just the other day, I found a way to soothe impatience in my own body. So, sitting in meditation, which to me just means becoming aware of what's arising, you can note like there's a certain, at least in my body, impatience, it shows up as this like fidgety type energy. It's just like it can't sit still and it wants to kind of go. It's like trying to move. That's how it feels. It almost like it wants to run or something like that.
It seeks catharsis. I think it's
Mhm.
uncomfortable with like with an incomplete feeling. It wants the
Yes.
feeling to be, yeah,
Yeah.
complete.
So it's looking for relief. And that relief, you feel that it will come when you get whatever the thing is that you're waiting for. But you can actually note that part and just breathe around it, soothe it, dissolve it, recognize it. Talk to it calmly like an impatient child waiting for, you know, the movie to start or whatever. Letting them know like impatience is not going to speed this up. So you might as well relax in the time until it comes rather than sitting there feeling uncomfortable. Because feeling uncomfortable isn't going to make it come any faster. So we could talk to our parts like that, feel those parts, soothe them, breathe into them, acknowledge that they're trying to get ahead. They want to escape this present moment, which maybe isn't ideal or preferred, and that's fine. You can acknowledge that. And paradoxically, when we're able to soothe those parts, we relax, the wait until the thing that we want to come gets easier and we stop pushing that thing away with our resistance. Because impatience also says, what I want is not here. So the universe responds, sure. Yeah, what you want isn't here. That's the paradox. It actually makes it worse. So you can soothe those parts. Um, Specific to the Kundalini awakening process, there was a writing, a piece of a poetry by the spiritual teacher named Scott Killaby. I'm not too familiar with his work, but I came across this piece where he wrote about going through immense difficulty and pain, essentially describing purification. And what he said was, I sat with infinite patience, and now I sit in bliss. And so I said, okay, that's what I need. Infinite patience, infinite patience. So when you're sitting, you just have to cultivate that. I'm going to sit here with infinite patience. Let this take as long as it needs. Paradoxically, that's how we actually create space for it to actually unravel so that we can get to the point where we can experience infinite bliss and whatnot. And maybe infinite bliss is a bit of hyperbole, but at least relief. At least relief.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.